Good afternoon, all. Okay, now you can put your roll numbers in the chat box for your attendance. Now, in today's session, I will discuss the blow molding process. Get to manufacture different kinds of the plastic components. Blow molding is used. In today's session, I will try to cover the basic concept or basic principle used in the blow molding process. Then after that, we will go to the classification of the blow molding process. Various types are there depending on the different steps or methods used. Then after seeing the brief classification, then we will move towards the advantages of this blow molding process, disadvantages of blow molding process, and applications of the blow molding process. Okay, I will start one by one. Initially, we will discuss the basic principle which is used in the blow molding process. Okay, for that you have to refer these slides, and I have collected a few diagrams for a better understanding of this blow molding process. Okay, for each type, separate diagram I have collected here. Okay, three types are there. Then applications, advantages, disadvantages. Okay, today this will be completed in one session only. Blow molding process. Okay, now in this blow molding process, now you have to remember that the blow molding process is used for manufacturing of the hollow components only. Okay, we can it is not used for manufacturing the solid component. This blow molding process is used to in the manufacturing of the different components, and that can be used in the industry as well as for our domestic purpose also. But what is the condition here? Only hollow components are manufactured in this process. Okay, for example, you can say that your plastic bottles, then you can say the your jug is there, plastic jug or plastic mugs are there. Then different toys are there that are hollow. Okay, different toys you can manufacture. Then different storage tanks that you can use for storing the chemicals in the industries. Okay, different chemical storage tanks, gasoline storage tanks, or different components that are hollow in nature, and that can be helpful for building or manufacturing the automobile components or different vehicles. Okay, and that are manufactured with the help of this blow molding process. Now the basic concept in this blow molding process, or how this blow molding process is carried out. Okay, here one concept is there that I will explain one by one. Okay, generally, please refer this point. Blow molding is a process of inflating hot hollow thermoplastic preform or parison. Okay, and this is the first stage. First we are going to do the processing. Okay, first you have to manufacture a parison or a preform, and generally this blow molding process is, we are using the thermoplastic materials are used here. Okay, only thermoplastic materials are used for this blow molding process. And initially, whichever thermoplastic material is there, we are going to manufacture a tube. Okay, a tube having certain smaller length. It will be either tubular, or you can say that it's cylindrical in nature. Okay, means it will be having it is a hollow tube, small hollow tube, and it is manufactured by heating the plastic material, and performing one extrusion operation. We are forming that tube that is termed as the parison or preform. Okay, the parison or preform, and that parison or preform, we are going to do the blowing operation on it. That parison or preform, we are going to perform the blowing operation. Here it is mentioned by the process of inflating the hot hollow tube made from the thermoplastic material. That hot hollow tube is termed as preform or parison. Okay, one preform is formed. It is also known as the parison. It is cylindrical or tubular in nature, and it is formed by providing the heating to the thermoplastic material. Okay, it will be like this. Thermoplastic material will be there. We are providing heat to that thermoplastic material, and we are forming a tubular or cylindrical preform, or it is also known as parison. And then that preform or parison, we are holding it in the mold cavity, disclosed mold, and then we are inserting the compressed air. Okay, we are inserting the compressed air and we are inflating that tube to give the shape of that mold cavity. Okay, so this is the simple blow molding process. I will explain it with the help of diagram. Okay, now just you have to remember only hollow parts like bottles, pipes, some air ducts for the automobiles, then chemical and gasoline tanks and different household products are manufactured with the help of this blow molding process. Now these are the steps involved in the blow molding process. Okay, generally you can say that the four steps will be there. Okay, four steps will be there. In the first stage, you have to prepare the parison or preform. This is the small tube termed as the parison or preform. And in the second stage, we are placing that parison or preform in the mold cavity and we are closing that mold. Okay, in the mold we are closing it. Then after that we are blowing the air. Compressed air is blown, and at the end we are removing it and performing some finishing operations. I will first, okay, I will explain that again, but just you have to understand that these are the steps. Okay, these are the steps involved in the blow molding process. The first step is preparation of parison or preform, then placing it. Okay, whichever shape you want. That parison, suppose you want to give a plastic bottle shape, then the mold cavity having that plastic bottle shape will be used, and in that mold cavity you have to place that parison. That will be your second stage. Then in the third stage, air is blown. Okay, air is blown inside the parison, as that parison is having tubular in nature. It, through that you have to blow the air against the whichever mold surface is there. Against that mold surface we are blowing it. Then one cooling arrangement will be provided there in that mold cavity. Due to that cooling, it will get solidified. Okay, whichever molten plastic we have, or that preform, it will get solidified due to the cooling. And in the fourth stage, okay, in the fourth stage we are going to remove that mold cavity and we are taking the product out from that mold cavity, and some finishing operation will be performed. Okay, so these are the steps involved in the blow molding. Now with the help of this diagram I will explain that stages. Before that I will go towards the basic components. Any blow molding machine will consist of these basic components. Okay, the first component here, this is blue colored. Okay, this faint blue color component, it is termed as the parison. Parison is nothing but a small hollow tube. Okay, and we have already heated it. Small heated hollow tube will be there, and through this there is one hole will be present at the center, uh, and through this we are going to blow the air. Okay, now the next component is mold cavity will be there, and in this mold cavity it will have the desired shape. Here in this mold cavity you have to provide the desired shape. Then this mold cavity will consist of the cooling system. Okay, this mold cavity will consist of the cooling system. With the help of some cooling liners will be there. Through that we are going to provide the cooling. Then one die head will be there, and to over that whichever that parison is there, to manufacture that parison, different methods you can use. Either you can go for extrusion method to manufacture this parison, you can go for extrusion method, you can go for injection method, or you can go for the stretching method also. Okay, that we will see discuss in the later half of this lecture. Okay, so these are the basic components. Now I will explain this blow molding process practically. Here this is the blow molding process, and here we have manufactured a plastic bottle. Okay, this is the end product, this is the finished product or molded part or molded component. Okay, now how this process is started. Initially the parison is manufactured. Parison, or it is also termed as the preform, it is a hot hollow tube, okay, made up of thermoplastic material, hot hollow tube, and it is placed manufactured, and it is placed in the die cavity. It is placed in the die cavity, sorry, in the mold cavity, you can say that mold cavity. And before placing, how it is manufactured, that is shown in this part. Okay, this is the manufacturing method of the parison. How this parison is manufactured, either you can manufacture it by extrusion or injection molding. Okay, so it is very much similar how this parison is manufactured, by extrusion molding or by inspection, injection molding. You can manufacture it simply. Heated material, thermoplastic material will be taken, and it is extruded in a tube, and from that parison is obtained. Then that parison is placed in the mold cavity, which is having cooling system also. So in this stage, in the third stage, air will be blown. Okay, compressed air will be blown, and it will be pressed. Whichever tube is there, that parison is forced against the mold walls. Okay, and it will acquire the shape of that mold cavity. And at the end, that mold cavity is removed, and component is separated. Here we have manufactured this plastic bottle, and some extra material will get attached to that plastic bottle or your end product. That extra material will be termed as a flash. Okay, here at the bottom, some material will get attached to the manufactured plastic bottle. Suppose we have manufactured this plastic bottle, some extra material is attached here at the bottom. This extra material is termed as the flash. It is a kind of defect, and it is removed by performing a machining operation or a trimming operation. And after that, you will get the your final product. Okay, in this way, when this blow molding is performed, the same stages are I have just highlighted here stages, and here I have shown that same stages are shown here, but with the help of a plastic bottle. Okay, same stages. I will explain it again. Parison is taken. Then that parison is placed in the mold cavity. That mold cavity is closed. Then, with the help of this compressed air,